Alright then, let's get started. Welcome back to Car Curator, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today we dive deep into the marvel that is the McLaren Artura Carbon. Forget the usual supercar shout, listen closer and you'll hear something extraordinary. Hear that? It's the hybrid heart engaging, a whisper of the future. This machine is different, a true game changer. This is the McLaren Artura Carbon, a masterpiece of engineering. McLaren labels it a high-performance hybrid, or HPH, and for good reason. It's not just another incrementally faster car, it's a revolution in speed and efficiency. It's McLaren planting a flag, demonstrating the next decade of exhilarating speed and cutting-edge technology. It's lighter, smarter, and still brutally quick, redefining what a supercar can be. This isn't merely an evolution, it's a revolution in design and performance. It's a fresh design philosophy etched in carbon fiber, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Consider the powertrain, a new twin-turbo V6 paired with an axial flux e-motor, a combination that's both powerful and efficient. Instant torque from the electric motor fills in before the turbos spool up, providing seamless acceleration. All this is bolted to a new carbon fiber monocoque, the McLaren Carbon Lightweight Architecture, or MCLA, ensuring rigidity and lightness. Stick around, this gets good. We're just scratching the surface of what the McLaren Artura Carbon has to offer. Let's delve deeper into what makes the McLaren Artura truly exceptional. We start with the McLaren Carbon Lightweight Architecture, or MCLA. This innovative structure is the backbone of the Artura, providing unparalleled strength and rigidity. Designed and manufactured in-house at the McLaren Composites Technology Center, it allows for incredible precision and quality control. The MCLA isn't just about using carbon fiber, it's about mastering its application. McLaren engineers meticulously apply carbon fiber to ensure maximum efficiency and performance. The result is a tub that's lighter, stiffer, and stronger than traditional materials. Less mass means better acceleration, sharper braking, and more agile handling, making every drive an exhilarating experience. A stiffer chassis provides a stable platform for the suspension, enhancing overall vehicle dynamics. The MCLA also cleverly incorporates the battery compartment, reducing cabling by up to 25%, which further contributes to weight savings. This integrated approach sets McLaren apart from its competitors, showcasing their commitment to innovation. The fanatical dedication to lightness is palpable throughout the Artura Carbon, from the chassis to the smallest details. It's a difference you feel in your fingertips and through the seat of your pants, making the Artura a true featherweight champion in the world of supercars. Step over the signature dihedral door sill and drop into the Artura's cockpit. The priority is clear: the driver. The dashboard is minimalist, with main controls on the instrument binnacle. This means they move with the steering wheel adjustment, always within reach. The seating position is classic supercar perfection. You sit low, cocooned within the MCLA tub. The standard Club Sport seats are supportive and comfortable. Your relationship to the pedals and steering wheel feels spot on. Visibility is excellent, with slim A-pillars and well-positioned mirrors. The cabin is about functional quality and tactile satisfaction. It's built for driving first and foremost. Now let's talk about the technology interface in the Artura Carbon. In the center sits a new high-definition 8-inch touchscreen. It's vertically oriented, intuitive, and within easy reach. The Artura Carbon comes equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. Over-the-air update capability ensures the system stays current. The interface is straightforward, with clear menus and logical navigation paths. Physical controls for essential functions like climate control are a smart move. The tech supports and enhances the driving experience, not overwhelm it. So, to sum up the McLaren Artura Carbon, let's delve into what makes this car truly special. The revolutionary McLaren Carbon Lightweight Architecture, or MCLA, is the very essence of this car, providing a strong yet lightweight foundation. The new hybrid V6 powertrain is a marvel of engineering, delivering relentless acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. The integration of cutting-edge technology is both modern and user-friendly, ensuring that every drive is as intuitive as it is exhilarating. The driver-focused cockpit, combined with superb ergonomics, makes it incredibly engaging to drive, putting you in complete control. McLaren's holistic approach with the MCLA is genuinely innovative, ensuring that every component works in harmony for optimal performance. The Artura Carbon feels like a glimpse into the future of McLaren and the supercar industry itself, pushing boundaries and setting new standards. It's sharp, sophisticated, and seriously exciting, embodying the spirit of innovation and performance. Drop your comments below and let us know what you make of McLaren's latest creation. We're eager to hear your thoughts and opinions. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Car Curator for more deep dives into the world's most fascinating cars. Stay tuned for more exciting content.